Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I just had one come up and eat a whole piece of bread.
Your bread or other bread?
The bread, like the one I chummed.
Oh, it ate the bread you threw out?
Yeah. Right there. Ooh.
Jackson, turn the drag down. Drag down. Let him peel. Oh my god. Don't let him come out. Don't let him come out.
There.
Solid 20 pounds.
Look at him.
Oh. Yes, Jackson. Yes.
He's horsing me.
Yes, Jackson. Oh my god, guys. No snags needed. No snags.
No trouble. No trouble.
Needed. At CP, at MB. Oh.
Alright, watch out. I got him. Let me get him. Turn.
Told you. That's not how it works. I got a tail. I got a tail. Oh, I got a tail.
Okay.
Bring him up. Yes.
Oh my gosh, guys, look at this thing. Hurry up. Oh my gosh, he's so heavy.
Alright,
Get up close with the GoPro.
Huh?
Get up close with the GoPro. No, we're taking pictures.
Giant.
What is it?
It's a grass carp. Here, Quinn, get one more.
I got like 10. Oh yeah. Got it.
And they just clean up the pond?
Yes, ma'am. Alright, you ready?
Go.
Is it filming with that GoPro?
Beast carp. Yeah, okay. 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 Dude, I hope I got that on film.
I'm filming.
I'm saying I hope you can hear him. He was being a dick. Whatever. He's just jelly. He can't catch carps.
What is wrong with that guy? I've never experienced that in my entire life.
Yeah. Probably a liberal. Yes. Yes.